Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix WhatsApp video call quality problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps section. Then go to the search and search WhatsApp. And next go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone or turn the airplane mode on and off, or the Bluetooth on and off. And if it didn't work again, try to clear data. But you have to be careful. If you want to clear data, all the files and all the messages and all the media will be deleted, so be careful. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.